There's a paprika and oregano inside this tornado. You can see the oregano up there. Oregano go down here.